Today in this video, we'll be guiding you through the steps to log in into your CRA account known as Canada Revenue Agency. If this is something you are interested in learning, be sure to follow along and watch the video till the end. First, open any web browser on your computer and in the address bar, type canada.ca. After hitting enter, you'll be prompted to select your preferred language. Once you've chosen your preferred language, you'll be directed to the home page. From here, click on Sign In button at the top right corner of the screen. On the menu page, select the CRA My Account option. Now, as you can see here, due to the system maintenance, the services are temporarily unavailable, so we can't sign in to it right now. But what you can do is scroll down until you see the Sign In or CRA Register button. If you've already registered, click on the Sign In Partner button. For those who haven't registered yet, select Register My Account. After that, you'll be proceeded to the login page. Enter your user ID and password associated with your CRA account. Once you've entered your credential correctly, click the Sign In button and you'll successfully access your CRA account. And that's it takes to log in to your CRA account online. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.